I will show you how to do the daily command. So like it's basically the earn command with more money but with also a cooldown, because you don't want people to spam it to death, right? So first thing you're gonna do is delete the earn file and make a new file inside the command folder commands and call it daily.js. Do that, and then the modules that you currently want to install is moment and moment duration format. If you don't install these two, and you are following this tutorial, it will not work. So remember to do that. So let's require them all. Const db require quick.db, const moment require moment, and also require moment duration format. There we go. And then now let's run this command, module dot exports dot run async function client message aux. Do that, and then let time equals 8 timeout equals 8.64 plus 7, and this is basically a day. This is basically how much your timeout is, your cooldown is. You can change this if you want, I don't care. Let time equals db not fetch daily cooldown message author id. There we go. And this is to check if you are currently in cooldown, it will not reward you. So if time null or and timeout date dot now time is bigger than 0, return message channel. You can't, please come back in moment dot duration timeout date dot now time dot format this in hours and minutes and seconds. You want to format it, right? So, and if you don't have a cooldown, do db.add balance message offer id to let's set it to 1000, and then db.set cooldown message offer.id to like date now. And let me explain this whole code because you might not understand what I mean in here. So the timeout is basically your cooldown time. So like how much you have to wait before being able to use this command again. The time is basically your cooldown data. This checks if you are still on cooldown or not. This below, if time no whatever. Let me put it here to make it more clear. Okay, there we go. And else if you are not in cooldown, you will earn $1,000, and you will have to wait for a day to be able to use this again. So this is basically what this tb.set cooldown does. It adds you to the cooldown database, so you cannot use this command again for like a day, if you know what I mean. Now let's make it send a message just to make sure it works. .channel.send. You just earned $1,000. 1,000, not 100. Okay, so this should work. This should really work. This is like my 4th take on this, and there's so many flaws. This is like my 4th take on this, and like this should really work right now, and I've been kind of frustrated trying to record the same thing all over and over again. So let's hope for the best. Now let's do. Currently, I have $1,000, and if I do daily, gave me $1,000. If I check my balance, $2,000, and if I do it again, yep, this works. And that is it. This is how you do a daily command. And